Hello and welcome to ActivTrades Weekly Outlook. Next week, all eyes in the US will still be on Congress as the standoff over the federal debt limit continues. According to Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen, the possibility for default looms as early as June 1st, and investors are nervous. What impact will this tense mood have on markets this week? Let's dive in. The flash consumer confidence report for the euro area is due on Monday, and it is expected to show a continuation of the gradually improving trend up to -16. The index increased by 1.6 points in April, reaching -17.5, its highest level since February 2022. Major earnings report to expect on Monday include Galaxy Entertainment Group, among others. A series of manufacturing and services PMIs will be published on Tuesday from Japan, France, Germany, the EU, the UK, and the US. A primary indicator of economic health, an index reading above 50 indicates industry growth, while a reading below 50 indicates industry contraction. Expected results are mixed, but generally the services sector shows steady growth across the board, while manufacturing appears subdued. Major earnings report to expect on Tuesday include Lowe's Companies and Intuit Co. On Wednesday, the Reserve Bank of New Zealand will meet on monetary policy. The official cash rate in New Zealand is now 5.25%, the highest level since December 2008, after a 50 basis points increase at the April meeting. Consumer prices have been high in the country and employment has been beyond the maximum sustainable level. As a result, expectations are for a further 25 basis points bump this week to 5.5%. Also on Wednesday, the UK will release its annualized inflation rate for April. In March, the rate decreased to 10.1%, and analysts predict that the interest rate rises are starting to have their desired effect, and inflation should have cooled down to 8.5%. Major earnings report to expect on Wednesday include Lenovo Group and Analog Devices. GfK Consumer Climate Indicator for Germany rose for the 7th consecutive month in April. When the most recent report is due on Thursday, expectations are for a further improvement to -24 for June. After 21.1% annual drop in February, pending home sales in the US fell by 23.2% in March, the 22nd consecutive monthly loss. While the trend may be improving gradually, the forecast for April sales year-on-year is still for a drop of 19%. Major earnings report to expect on Thursday include Costco and Dollar Tree, among others. Retail sales figures in UK are due on Friday, and expectations are for a growth of 0.3% for April. Also on Friday, a number of reports are expected in the US, including the core PCE price index, personal spending, personal income, and the durable goods orders data. Core PCE prices, which exclude food and energy, climbed 0.3% in March, and this is expected to hold steady at the same growth rate month over month for April. Continuously, high inflation rates and higher borrowing rates have been impacting heavily on personal spending, and it has stagnated recently. However, this is anticipated to have grown in April by 0.4% month over month. Meanwhile, personal income is expected to have grown by the same rate. Durable goods orders climbed 3.2% in March from a month earlier, and consensus for April orders is for a decrease of 0.9%. If you would like to read our full outlook, please visit the analysis section on our website. That's all for this week. Happy trading!